alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello my friends, dear colleagues. This is a short video to explain how to log in to the Blackboard virtual classrooms from the dedicated rooms assigned in the clinical skills lab to communicate with your students. First of all, when you log into the room, you'll open the PC there. You find in the desktop one icon. This icon have the name of the group. So now I'm recording from grade 5 room. Very easy. Just double click on the grade 5 room. It will ask your credential for university credential. Put your first part from your university email, then the password. After that, press login. It will drive you through and take to the Blackboard web page. Now minimize this page and go back to double click the same link again. It will take you, lead you to the room and to the session direct. Now press then join session. Now you are in the Blackboard virtual classroom. You can now communicate with the student, and now you can start what we have been learning before in the previous video. Okay, there is another way to log in to the virtual classroom from anywhere. If you couldn't log in from the dedicated room, you can simply go to your browser, open the browser, and visit your Blackboard. There is different ways to log into the Blackboard, but the most simple way, write lms.bsau.edu.sa, then press enter. Now it will ask your password and username password. Log into the Blackboard. Now you are in the media of Blackboard. You will recognize a new tab added in the top. It's called Mid Virtual Room. Just press this tab. You find all the rooms created. Room number 2 for grade 2, room number 3 for grade 3, room number A1 for a new batch for grade 4, room number 4B, this is for the old batch, E-Learn mid 5, this is room for grade 5. Finally, you can find grade 6. By pressing this grade 5, it will take you directly to the room, virtual room. Press in the room and go join session. Now you are in the virtual classroom. Thank you.